Hey everyone, today I will show you how to quickly open Visual Studio Code from your terminal. This method can save you time and streamline your workflow. Before we begin, make sure you have VS Code installed on your computer. If you don't, head over to the official VS Code website and download it first. So first of all, open your terminal, navigate to the directory you want to open in VS Code and type this command, code space dot. That's it. VS Code should now open with your current directory. But if the code command is not recognized, then you may need to add VS Code to your system's path. So for Windows, VS Code typically adds itself to the path during installation. For the Mac, open VS Code and press Command Shift B and type shell command. Okay, and select install code command in path. It will say that shell command code successfully installed in the path. Press OK. Now close the VS Code and here type the command code space dot, press enter, and you would notice that it has opened our current directory in the VS Code. Now you know how to quickly open VS Code from your terminal. This can really speed up your development process. If you found this helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding tips. Thanks for watching.